So it
Yeah.
contains, so in programming or in coding, you have a variable which we went through a lot before.
Yeah.
So a variable
Yeah.
can only store one thing, correct? But what if you wanted to store, like, for example, in this scenario, like this quiz app, we don't want to keep saying, like, for example, if I say this to you, question one, like, tell me how tedious this is. What is the capital of England?
Yeah, gonna be there forever.
If I had 100 questions, how long would it take me to do that? If I
Yeah, forever.
Yeah, it would take ages. What is
Yeah.
the So there has to be another solution to this. So an array is the solution for this problem where, like, if you want to have a collection of something,
Yeah.
multiple values at the same time, you store it in what we call this type of data structure, which is an array,
Yeah.
and you can identify it by what we call an index. So I'll explain that to you. So imagine a box here, like this, and I'll just, for the sake of just simplicity, I'll just use a bunch of numbers. So, like you said, we're storing a collection of values or multiple values, yeah? Instead of
Yeah.
using a simple variable and then another one and another one. So let's say I'm storing one, two. Let's say I actually am storing like even numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So this array is all the even numbers from
Yeah.
like five times, yeah? One, two,
Yeah.
three, four, five, six. So six even numbers. So what we say is, if we want to identify a specific value in this collection of items, we call it by the index number. So index in programming or encoding, everything starts from index zero. So everything starts from zero. You know how you go into an elevator, you have the ground
Yeah.
floor, first
Yeah.
floor. Yeah, so it starts from zero, right?
Yeah.
So zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I wanted to pick only this, if I wanted to get the, number 10, the fifth even number, yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I'll call the array. So this is the array, right? So I'll say
Yeah.
even, and I have a box here. And what's the index?
4.
4. So this will give me number 10. If I
Yeah.
call this, I have to call this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Does that make sense? So this is what index is, indexing. So an array has index, yeah, and that's how you access items or values inside of the